Everyone, my name is Mr. Chan. I will be your instructor for this Math 106 Accelerated Pre-Algebra class this summer, 2022. All right, as an online course, your attendance is very important. Your attendance is taken by completion of the graded assignment and submitted each week. So in this video, I will actually talk a little bit. About your syllabus and how we can proceed in this course as an online class. Okay, so for the very first week, okay, which is a welcome week. Sorry about the typo here. Our class should start on May 16. May 16 to the welcome week is May 16 to May 22nd. Sorry about that. Change that real quick. Let's go back to this announcement page. All right, so for the welcome week, I will need you to watch this particular welcome and syllabus videos and submit your homework syllabus, okay? And I will also need you to do a discussion, which is introduction to yourself. And the due date will be May 22nd. I'm not quite sure why these dates are off a little bit. Let me change it real quick so we can be on the right track. So normally, each week, I will begin to grade your assignments on Monday. So once you submit your work every week, I will take your weekly attendance and begin the grading on Monday. Okay, on every Monday. So if you need assistance, okay, throughout the semester, you can also you can always contact me using my Google Voice number, or you can meet me in Zoom, or you can actually message me in D2L, or you can email me at my at the NETC email. And every week's announcement has this link. If you want to meet with me in Zoom, you can click on this link. Let me know ahead of time that you want to meet, so I know to get on. So when you're ready to meet with me in Zoom, you just click on this link. So let's go to our class. So the best thing to do in this using D2L is actually using a computer. So instead of scrolling down here and then click on these modules, I always recommend students go straight to contents. So I got a syllabus up here. We will go over here in a minute. So when you come to the table of contents, okay, the very first one is your course informations. Okay, the syllabus and welcome video is also located here. The syllabus is here. In this class, you will not need to purchase any textbook. So our textbook is actually considered an open education resource textbook, which is actually in PDF right here. I use a textbook for reference, but what most students do every week is they will actually print or copy down their lecture handouts and then use these handouts to watch a video and take notes on the handouts. And then once a student is finishing watching the videos, then they will actually do the homework assignments, okay? And every week, there is one designated notes that you're supposed to turn in. So for example, this particular week, topic 1 through 4, you will only need to turn in the notes that you took, okay, from topic number 4. Okay, I don't need all the other topic. I just need topic number 4 notes that you took and you put in the Dropbox. So let's go back to the course information. All right, my content information is listed right here. On how to upload a human assignments. Watch this video. This video will show you how you actually upload, okay, the note-taking assignments into the Dropbox. Okay, so if you have a hard time, make sure you watch this particular videos. All right, there's a video on how to use graphical equations as well, which I will show you here at the end of this video. I will show you how to use graphical equation. There are some answers that you enter for homework, you will need to use the graphical equation. All right, there's a video on how to view your assignment feedbacks. Okay, so once you turn in your homework and I grade it, to view the feedback, okay, there's this video show you how to actually find those feedbacks. Okay, there's a video on how to check for missing assignments. Okay, if you're not quite sure what assignments you're missing, you can always watch this video. It will show you how you look for the missing assignments. All right, how to use Zoom. There's a video on how to use Zoom. Office.com is very important. If you're a new student and never used your student NETC email, this video show you how you can log on to your student NETC email. So a lot of communication between the school or the instructor to the students is actually on the office.com. Okay, so make sure you watch this video if you're a brand new student, never used your student NETC email. And this is a site you go to, office.com. Okay, so this video will show you how you can actually access. Let's go back here. All right, self-service. Right now, the self-service is down, but later on the semester, once the self-service is back up, you can watch this video to learn how to access your student self-service, okay, academic advising. Within self-service, you can find your grades, you can register for classes. You can actually see the grades from your other class as well. All right, tutor.com is an online tutorial, is an online tutoring resource. Okay, so if you need help, if you ever need help in this class and you cannot get in touch with me, you can always set up appointments at tutor.com, and they have a live tutors, okay, that can help you online. So basically, okay, all the resources you needed is right here under the course information. But generally speaking, every single week, so if I click on topic 8 through 11, okay, generally every week when you click on the topic, you're gonna see what the topic is, what these topics are about, and the due dates, okay? What are the assignments need to be turning and what the due dates are. So, and you will always find the lecture handouts. If you don't have a printer at home, you can actually copy down what's on the handout and use what you copied to watch the video and take notes on them. So you have all the handouts, all the videos, okay, all the homework assignments. It's under assignments in the Dropbox, okay? Dropbox, in this class, you only need a Dropbox for the notes that you took. So remember, this particular week, you will only need to turn in topic 11 notes. All right, let's go over the syllabus real quick. All right, my contact information is posted in detail on the course information that says instructor's information. All right, course description. This course is study of integer, rational number, decimals, percent, ratio, and percent. A little bit basic statistic at the end of the semester. Toward the end of the semester, we will also take a look at a little bit very basic geometries. Okay, we focus a lot the course based on about the properties of different numbers and operations, and we will do a little bit of algebra toward the end of the semester as well. Okay, what's required for this class is you have to use D2L. Okay, you have to use the D2L. OER textbook. Okay, you do not have to purchase this. I showed you earlier where the book was. If you have a graphing calculator already, you don't have to purchase one. If you don't have a graphing calculator, you can always purchase a scientific calculator, which is a lot cheaper. But later on the semester, you will need some sort of calculator. Okay. All right, you can read about our learning outcomes. So course requirement, this is what you do. Okay, for every week, you print or copy down the lecture handouts. Okay, you watch the lecture videos and you take notes on the handout that you print or you copied. Once you've done that, then you can begin, okay, your homework. Once you finish your homework, you can upload the selected lecture notes taken into the appropriate Dropbox. So remember, every week you got to turn in one note taken, okay, that is designated, and the name tells you which one to turn in. So if I come back to topic 8 through 11, this week you will need to turn in topic 11 notes that you took, okay? So don't forget, if you don't know how to upload your files, okay, upload your pictures into the Dropbox, you can always watch this particular video on how to upload handwritten assignments, okay? This video show you how to upload the notes that you took. So basically the way how students upload is they take pictures, use a mobile device, and take pictures of the notes they took. Okay, one picture at a time. And then they email themselves. Okay, student email themselves those pictures. And then go to their email, download those pictures in order to upload them into the Dropbox. That's basically what this video is about. Okay. Let's go back to syllabus. Minute. No, 1 second. All right, let's continue our syllabus. Let's scroll down a little bit. All right, the grading methods. Okay, so we have three types of graded assignments: your topical homework, topical notes taken, and the final exam at the end of the semester. Okay, so here are their weights. So let's go straight down here to the very last week, which is topic 31 and the final exam. Okay, so here you're gonna see the lecture handout for topic 31 on the last week, and you're gonna have a lecture video for topic 31. So once you complete your homework for topic 31, which is right here, what I need you to do at the end of the semester is view these two videos on the lock setting and how to use on the lock. Okay, view these two settings right here and complete this practice on the lock. Okay, I want these two videos showing you how to use it on the lock. Okay, how you actually authenticate your identification when you're using on the lock, and what are the test settings. Okay, the on the lock setting is really for testing settings. Okay, the exam settings, and watch the exam review. Okay, before you take the final exam of this course. So on the lock requires students to have camera on their computer. On the lot also requires students to have a government issued ID, so that or student ID, so they can matching the ID and taking a picture. You know, on the lot will ask you to take a picture of picture of your headshots. Okay, and make sure the picture of you and the picture of the ID matches. Okay, so that's what this video is trying to show you right here. But that's toward the end of the semester. If you got any other questions, you can always come back and ask me. Okay. The best way of communication is always use D2L instant message. Okay. We have multiple ways we can communicate, but the number one way is using the instant message and the email. Okay. You can always text me. Okay. On my Google Voice. Okay. I'm in and out of the office a lot, so calling me might not be a good idea. If you do call me, if you do want to talk to me, you can send me a text saying that, you know, Mr. Chen, this is so and so, please call me back. Then I will definitely call you back. Or we can meet in Zoom. So, but the number one way I communicate with you as a student is using the D2L instant message and email. Let's go back to the syllabus real quick. Homework, okay. All the homework is posted in D2L. The questions on the topical homework are related to the topics written on the lecture handout and the topic discussed in the videos, okay. All the homework only has one attempt and it will be counted for your weekly attendance, okay. No homework grade will be dropped under any circumstances. The notes taken, okay, every week there are selected topical lecture notes that will require you to upload into the Dropbox. The student will write your name. What I need you to do is write your name and the day you watch the lecture video on the top right-hand corner of every page what you're going to upload into the Dropbox. Please do that. So I know that is actually your notes that you took. Okay, weekly submission notes will be counted for attendance. All right, the final exam will be proctored by using OnTheLock. So make sure at the end of the semester, watch that OnTheLock setting and how to use OnTheLock and complete the practice OnTheLock before attempt the final exam. All right, here is how here is a departmental grading rubric. Okay, and here are grading. All right, one thing I want to point out is excessive absence. Okay, and I'll scroll down here, talk about excessive absence. Here's our weekly outline. We will follow, please follow this outline as close as you can. Our last day of class is July 24th. So for your attendance, okay, for the very first week, it's very important that once you watch this welcome and syllabus videos, I need you to open and complete your syllabus homework. Okay, because if you do not complete the syllabus homework by May 22nd, then you will actually be dropped for no-show. If you do submit the syllabus homework, okay, then you are bound by the following attendance requirements. So the attendance every week is you must complete at least one graded activity. You must complete a graded activity each week to be counted as presence. Any student who failed to complete a graded activity for 2 weeks or 14 consecutive days will be dropped from the class, okay, with a W, stating that this W is actually considered as an excessive absence. So W means you withdrew from the class, or it also means that the student has an excessive absence, okay? All right, voluntary withdrawal from the course. Okay, I will show you how I will type it out. How you can withdraw from the course. Okay, so student disabilities. If you do have a documented disability and require accommodation, please contact the dean of a student service to discuss needs or concern as you pursue academic program and participate in campus life. Okay, the dean of student service will provide guidance regarding to official documentation of disability and accommodation needs. So if you do have a documented disability and require accommodation, please contact the dean of a student service directly. He or she will actually get in contact with me, with the instructors regarding to what accommodation need to be provided. All right, you can read through the academic dishonesty. Okay, for family education rights statement right here, basically saying that all your educational information is actually protected under FERPA. So if your parents is looking for your grades, if your parents is looking for your attendance, then by FERPA we are not allowed to reveal your attendance records, okay, or your grades and such. Okay. I think there was one more thing I want to mention before we continue. Oh, the welcome week. So under the welcome week, okay, you're gonna find the syllabus homework and the discussion, which is introduce yourself. All right. What you're gonna find here. This end date is on May 22nd. Gonna find a lot of end dates. Okay, every homework assignment has a due date and end dates. Let's scroll down right here. Okay, you have a start date and the due dates. Okay, the end date is actually set at the last day of the class, just in case if you need to make up an assignment here and assignment there. Okay, the end date does not mean that you wait, till the end of the semester to do your homework, because if you don't turn in a graded assignment for 2 weeks in a row, then you'll be automatically be dropped from the class. Okay, so this end date is set on the last day of the class, just in case students need to make up an assignment here and there. All right. So make sure you understand that there are due dates for these assignments, okay? And you need to complete this assignment by due date. If something happens where you need to make it up, okay, you can make it up. That's not a problem. You just come back whenever you get a chance to make out your assignment. Okay, be very careful. This is only a 10-week course, so things will be moving very fast. So try not to accumulate too many assignments, too many homework that's not being turned in. Then, of course, students sometimes will have a hard time making out a bunch of assignments toward the end of the semester. Okay, so you gotta turn in at least one grade assignment per week. So this week in particular, you got 4 homework plus 1 notes taken. So these assignments, these are the assignments that will count for attendance. All right, so let's go back to the welcome week. I'm gonna actually go over the syllabus homework with you. I will give you the answers and I will show you how to, I'll actually show you how to use something called the graphical equation. All right, consider the following questions. It'll be easier to write down the answer before entering inside the box. So this is the box you enter. So here I want you to use something called the graphical equation to enter the answers. Okay, number 1, asking you, what is the best phone number to get in contact with you? All right, so what you do when you see this statement right here, then what you do is click on this plus sign. So right now, if you don't see the plus sign, that means you're not using a computer. Okay, you got to use a computer in order. If you use a mobile device trying to do your homework, the plus sign will never show up. Click on the plus sign, click on the word equation, click on graphical equation. So number 1, so hashtag or number 1, okay, enter your phone number, the best phone number I can get in touch with you, and click on insert. This problem has two steps, right? Has 2 parts. So once you enter the answer for 1, then you insert, press enter, and then go back to the plus sign. Okay, equations, and then graphical equation. Okay, the phone number you provided in number 1 is the cell phone, home phone, or work phone. So for number 2, whether it's a cell phone, home phone, or work phone. Right, just tell me which one is it and press insert. So once you enter these, your response in the box, it automatically saves your answers. Okay, so when you see a check mark, that means it saved the answers. All right, question number 2, what are the best practice, okay, when using D2L? All right, so you don't see anything says graphical equation, so you can just type in regularly. Number 1, and you can go ahead and write this answer down as well. All right, you got to use a computer. Okay, got to use a computer. Number 2, instead of a mobile device. Because mobile device does not have all the features. Okay, got to use a computer or laptop. Let's say that. A computer or laptop. Let's have a camera. Okay, and the reason that is for the Alma lock. Alma lock required to have a camera. Number 3. All right, use Chrome. You gotta use Google Chrome. Google Chrome is the best. All right, use Google Chrome when you actually access D2L. And number 4, of course, you got to use what? Graphical equation. When is that? Whenever it's asking for it. So I'm gonna go all the way down in the bottom here. Okay, use graphical equation to enter the answers. Okay, this is number 9. I will show you how to enter these fractions and mixed numbers and with exponents. So if you're typing this 2/3 this way, I actually count that as incorrect. Okay, especially when it says use graphical equation to enter answers. So I'm gonna click on the plus sign, equations, graphical equation, and I need typing 2/3. Let me move this over a little bit. 2/3. So fraction bar is right here. Just click on fraction bar 2, and then click on the bottom box 3, and then click to the side and put your comma there. 3 1/3. That will be 3 fraction bar 1 over 3. Okay. All right. Oops. So I'm gonna use the right arrow key on the keyboard and then move my cursor to the side of my mixed number, comma, space, and 4 to the second power. I'm tapping 4 and this exponent right here. Okay, tapping a 2. That's all it is. Okay, so there will be time you will entering variables, variable with exponents, okay, fractions, mixed numbers. So for those problems, you're gonna see this phrase saying that use graphical equation to enter answers. All right, what is the last day of the class? July 24th, 2022. That's the answer. Can you email me using your personal email? The answer is no. Okay, all email coming from you got to be from your student NETC email. All right, how does a student go about withdrawing a class? Okay, the first thing is you can contact student service at 843-921-6900, or you can contact the enrollment center 843-921-6900, or you can just contact your instructor. Using T2L instant message. Or you can contact me using T2L instant message, email, or you can actually just by text. Three 252-0030. Okay, or you can text me to my Google Voice number. All right, what are the 3 types of graded assignments? Homework, notes taken, and the final exam. That's 10%. All right, that's your answer. All right, what is the last assignment that you need to do to complete this course? The last assignment, okay, is actually going to be the final exam. That's your final assignment. All right. Any student who failed to complete a grade activity for how many consecutive days will be dropped from the class? 14 consecutive days. Okay. And I just show you how to do this. All right. So that's basically it for the syllabus welcome videos. So again, my name is Mr. Chen. Welcome you to this Math 106 for summer 2022. If you got any questions about what I went over, okay, then you can actually please email me. You can email me, send me a detailed instant message, or you can text me, okay? Alrighty, good luck this semester. Please let me know if you need any help. Thank you for watching.